Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying that the system actually sees the SSD, because chasing firmware fixes for an undetected drive wastes time. Check BIOS/UEFI, then in the OS Open Disk Management, or run LSBLK. Note any error codes. Once noted, power down, unplug power and data, wait 30 to 60 seconds to let capacitors discharge, then reconnect the same drive using a known good SATA/USB cable and port. This simple power cycle can clear controller hangs and is the first actionable repair step. Next, use vendor tools to read smart attributes and confirm firmware. These tools explain how and why specific errors occur and whether firmware corruptions are implicated. If the drive is unstable, image it read-only with DResQ to preserve data before risky steps. Once you have a backup, cautiously apply the official firmware update. Make sure the laptop is on AC or the desktop has a UPS to avoid interruption. If firmware tools offer a reinitialization or secure erase, use them only after imaging and understanding the irreversible data loss. To finish, perform a factory secure erase provided by the manufacturer to rebuild internal tables and restore wear leveling, but only after you've imaged or accepted total data loss. If physical signs point to board or NAND failure, burn marks, odd odors, or no spinless controller response, stop and consult a professional data recovery service. DIY board swaps are risky. Once repaired or replaced, validate the SSD with extended smart tests and benchmarks to make sure performance and error rates are back to normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.